Ito na siguro yung pinaka-viral and hyped up chicken tenders dito sa Metro Manila. Alam nyo, give natin sa kanila. Chicken is tender, well-seasoned, crispy, textbook chicken tender talaga. Ito lang kasi yun if naghahanap kayo ng something more than a chicken tender, then your expectation might be too high lang kasi it's your standard chicken tender talaga. Pero if ang gusto nyo lang is a good, solid chicken tender, I bet you'll love Chick Chicken. We have a new branch here in Timog and grabe ang daming tao kasi minu-minuto may dumadating. And weekday pa to saka past lunch time na. Definitely gained an audience na and gets ko naman. Ako experience ko, I tried them once before. Nasarapan ako, pero wala talaga kasi siyang specific na lasa na masasabi mong Chick Chicken. Pero kasi comfort food talaga siya, so hinanap-hanap ko yung lasa. So umorder ulit ako. Ito for me, forget the Dupe Racing Cane sauce. For me, I'm in love with their ranch and super addicting with their chicken tenders. They have flavored tenders as well, so I tried the salted egg and the barbecue. We enjoyed the barbecue better. Actually, masarap siya. Sweet, tangy, and surprisingly slightly smoky. Na bagay din sa ranch sauce. Very tasty yung salted egg, though gusto ko sana more salted egg flavor. And we also tried the fully loaded chick. Meron dito, ito lang yung ino-order kasi grabe nga naman ang laki ng serving. Comes with chicken, mac, and fries na. Ito yung masarap kainin, kabuso mo talaga mag-indulge. And girl, you don't have to buy the actual cup for the sauce naman. Trust, okay na yung small size ng sauce. And for me, masarap naman yung sauce nila, so inuwi namin siya. Ewan ko sa inyo, pero ako gets ko yung hype ng Chick Chicken. Very solid chicken tender with sauce. As in well-deserved comfort food any day na bet nyo. Ichoy!